Hello everybody, here I got the C7, and one thing I'm gonna do to it is I bought little diffuser fins. So I went ahead and bought the kit, but I thought it'd be cool to just put a piece of wrap. So I put in on all of them a stripe of turquoise. So I think it'll look good, have it match the color of the car. I do gotta make a template just because this kit did not come with it. I've read online that there are others that do come with a template, but mine did not. 3 screws, so I do gotta do some work to get access from the inside so I can drill and install my screws. I've seen a couple Corvettes online that got the little diffusers, and I thought it looked great, so I'm gonna try it on mine. So I'm also kind of thinking of getting some carbon fiber wrap and doing the whole side to side of the bumper, but I'm not 100% sure yet. And then I kind of just taped them up. I already took those off just to step back and kind of have a look on what it would turn out before I start drilling. And also, since mine didn't come with a template, I'll kind of have to make me one. I know I put this a little bit too close to the edge, but when I step back, I noticed that I tend to focus on the color, so I kind of wanted to have equal distance all the way to the edge. But I think that was probably the most appealing spacing between them, so I did that on both sides. I already got all the screws off underneath. They had 10 millimeters there, but I still need to pull it out a little bit more so that I'll be able to reach the top screws once I drill them. I think this will look pretty good. Well, there it is. So it ain't really perfect, but I think it looks great. Like I said, there's other kits that'll have the templates, so probably a little bit higher quality. There's other ones that are carbon fiber, so they do got some gaps, so they don't actually fit quite perfectly. And I'm still not sure if I'll cover the whole bumper in carbon fiber, but we'll see. I might do that later.